Hello traders, this is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is January the 12th on a Friday, and I have the weekly chart of the SPY up here, and we still have not taken out, all-time highs. And I always feel like these charts have a destiny, when they're, especially when they're this close to a level. So see what happens today. We're slightly gapping down today, but we still may want to take out that 480 level to see what happens in the SPY. So anyway, let me just switch back. Is what's cool about our charts here. I can just switch back to a daily chart, and here's my weekly in the thumbnail down here now. So I'm still kind of keying this level. Let's go ahead and put a price alert, so if I get up there anywhere around that 480, I definitely want to know about it. Let's take a look at some setups today real quick. It's been a kind of a tough market, but let's take a look at some stocks that are setting up nicely. First on the list is this CBay, and you can see here, let me kind of zoom in a little bit, kind of get a better view of this. Looking for a break. You can see my price alert. Look for a break above that 3-day high there in CBay. Oracle is a little bit different play for those that don't mind, buying stocks that have pulled off, highs, but I like the way this is setting up. Put in a kind of a tail yesterday and bounced close to a month high there. I say month, a January high, I should say. So looking, this is maybe a nice little bottoming pattern setting up, making a lower low. So looking for a move through yesterday's high there in Oracle. Zim, this one is kind of gapping up, guys. It's gapping up 9%. I love the setup coming into today, but that gap is kind of scaring me, but maybe watch for a pullback on that one. COLL on the list today, and you can see here, beautiful setup, riding that 10-period moving average. Maybe look for a 5-day high there above the 33 level. That's it for today, guys. Have a great weekend. There's more on the list if you have trade ideas, and I'll talk to you on Monday. Bye-bye.